How does that feel?
That's good.
All right. You almost had it.
Let me dust you up there. Over the cold.
You had some white stuff on your cheek.
Get used to it.
All right, making music. Ow! Looks like you got anally penetrated.
Fuck this.
No, you're almost there.
Oh, come on. It's not even on my hill.
Fine, slide down.
Let's go back up.
Okay, let's go.
I'll learn faster.
That's the- That's the attitude. Let's go. See, you like how this gives you more room to learn?
More room, more time, less people, more power.
You did well, lad. You did well. Carlos should be coming down any second now. Take a breather. Take 5. He says he wants to go back up again. All right, Carlos, come on down.